Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online class. So, today we are going to start a new chapter or new poem from your Marigold book. Okay, chapter the first, like unit 7, and chapter first, and it is a poem that is Topsy Turvy Land. Okay, so later I will tell you what does this mean, topsy turvy land. But first, I just want to ask you some questions. If you want, you can give your answers in the comment section, or you can just listen it. Okay, but it will be great if you are going to give the answers what I will ask in the comment section. Okay. So first I just want to ask you that have you ever thrown your school bag on your bed? Have you ever done this? Have you ever thrown your school bag on the bed after returning back from school? Have you ever done this? Okay. Have you ever left your shoes and socks here and there? Have you ever, after coming back from school, have you ever left your shoes here and there? One is kept there, one is on the other side. You didn't keep your shoes or together at some fixed place. Have you ever left your shoes here and there in a very messy condition? Have you ever played with your ball in your room? Have you ever played with a ball in a room or hid somewhere else in the room? Have you ever done this, like playing ball or a football or whatever it is? Does your room sometimes looks like this? Now I'm gonna show you a picture, okay? And you have to tell me, have you ever done something like this, or something have you ever done like this? Does your room just look like this sometimes? See how the school bag is kept on the bed, how the things are kept here and there, how the shoes are here and there. They are kept in not a correct order. It is not in a organized manner. That how the he somebody who played ball here in the room and left everything messy in a messy condition. Have you ever done something like this in your room? Okay, so just tell me this answer because this all are related to this poem. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you that now read about one such upside down poem. Okay, upside down land. It's called a topsy turvy land. Means the things what we do generally brushing our teeth, going school, reading books, and women, so whatever the things what we do normally, a normal person or a normal life we are living. Okay, it is just opposite. Topsy turvy means it's just opposite of that, or means general or the real life. Okay, so that's why it is said as a topsy turvy land. It means the opposite land. Okay, where everything the people does is a opposite thing, which is very rare, from our living style. Okay, so I just want to means what I asked a question, few question I asked, it is that because normally people come from school and they keep their bag on some fixed place. They keep their shoes, open their shoes and keep all the socks inside their shoes, or it should they keep that all in a very organized manner, or means not playing footballs or ball in a room, because many things are here in our room which can get damaged by playing a ball in a room, or never means we all are keeping our rooms in a very organized manner. So what I asked a question that was just opposite of a normal lifestyle. Okay, so टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड में यही होता था. ठीक है, टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड में क्या होता था, एवरीथिंग वॉज रियली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल or a general lifestyle what we are living. Okay, so let's read the poem and we'll get to know what this poem mean. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy turvy land. So, what happened first in topsy turvy land? People walk upon their heads. Now, look at this picture, okay? Like this picture, people how they walk, दे वॉक अपसाइड डाउन, वो नीचे की ओर में चलते, लाइक उनका जो हेड होता है हेड की तरफ से वो वॉक करते हैं, ओके, इन टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड। और स्टूडेंट्स वेंट स्कूल इन नाइट टाइम, ओके, रात में वो लोग स्कूल जाते थे। एंड द सी इज मेड ऑफ सैंड, और जो सी था वो किस चीज़ का बना हुआ था, सैंड का बना हुआ था, ओके। So these are the things which is really means different or opposite of our normal living style, because we walk on our legs. We means the ship sail on the sea. The sea is made up of water. Children go to school in morning, and we are living in a very great and a normal land. But here in topsy turvy land, it is really different. The front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand, and you wear your hat upon your feet in topsy turvy land. Now again you can see the front door is a back is a at the back, means when our front door at the front, when we enter from the gate, that is our front gate, right? तो उन लोग का फ्रंट गेट क्या था, बैक साइड से था, ठीक है। when you are walking means you are stand, and when you are stand means it is walking, उल्टा बोलते थे। जब वो लोग वॉक करते थे then they used to say that it is standing, and when they stand they used to say that it is a walking positions. You wear your hat upon your feet, just like the picture. You can see how this man is walking by his head and kept a hat not on the head, but he kept his hat on his leg, which is up in the air. And buses on the sea you'll meet, while pleasures board are planned to travel up and down the street of topsy turvy land. Again, you can see that how the birds are sailing on the sea water, right? And this boat is used to went to the school, and the boats are also means planned for a pleasure thing on the road, because it is going it is like moving on the road, because it is a topsy turvy land, है ना? To travel up and down the street, means boat are used to travel up and down from the street, means from going from house to bazaar or bazaar to house. We use boats in topsy turvy land, and the buses are sailed on the sea water. So this all the things are happening opposite in topsy turvy land. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. Okay, what we are paying, उसका हमें जैसे अगर कुछ खरीदना है तो अगर पैसा दे रहे तो वो नहीं खरीदते थे, ठीक है, और बिना पैसा दे के वो सामान ले लेते थे। तो दिस वे द थिंग्स, लाइक जब कुछ नहीं लेना था तो उनको कंपलसरी था कि वो पैसे दें, और जब कुछ लेना रहता था तो वो जाके नॉर्मली ले लेते। आई थिंक इट मस्ट बी ग्रैंड, फॉर व्हेन यू गो यू आर कमिंग बैक इन टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड। मतलब अगर आप टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड में जा रहे हो, इसका मतलब है कि वो आना हुआ, और जब आओगे तो इसका मतलब वो जाना हुआ। तो रियली वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग, लाइक व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन दिस पोएम, एवरीथिंग इज़ रियली अपोजिट। जैसे स्टैंड का मतलब वॉकिंग, वॉकिंग का मतलब स्टैंड, आना का मतलब जाना, और जाने का मतलब आना। दिस इज़ रियली कंफ्यूजिंग इन टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज़ रियली ऑपोजिट फ्रॉम आवर नॉर्मल लिविंग स्टाइल, है ना? तो these are the things which what happened in topsy turvy land, like upside down land. Upside down land means whatever the things, like we are walking on our foot, and then man or the people are walking on their head. They wear hat on the foot, which is high up in the air. They use boats for traveling here and there on the street, and they use buses on the sea water, and the sea is made up of land. So these are the things, opposite things, which was means which was going in topsy turvy land. So this is all about the poem, which says that it is really different from a normal lifestyle or a normal daily routine, which is really very confusing. Okay, and this poem is written by H.E. Wilkinson. Okay, so this poem is written by H.E. Wilkinson, and tomorrow I'm gonna ask you the summary of this poem. Okay, and really I will explain the summary also, and I will explain you some of the exercises of this poem. Okay. Well, I could say that you can study some new words from this poem. That what does the topsy turvy means? Upside down. Pleasure means feeling of enjoyment. Grand means big and great one. This was very easy. And now, if you find another word meaning which is really difficult for you, you can just find out by yourself and memorize it. Okay. So, guys, have a nice day to all, and bye everyone.